you all on our YouTube channel EntoAgri course. Myself Sandeep Kaur. I'm PhD entomology student at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana, Punjab. So friends, today I will discuss with all of you about ICAR NET Agricultural Entomology 2019 question paper along with its answers. This paper was held online on January 11, 2019. And I have prepared the questions and their answers that were there in the examination. Friends, there were 140 questions to attempt. Today I will discuss the first 70 questions and the rest of the questions they will be discussed in our next video. So I request you all to go through the complete video so you can have a look what kind of questions they were there in the examination. So the first question was the chemical which gives advantage to receiver but not to releaser. So this is known as pheromone. Whereas the chemical which gives advantage to releaser but not to receiver, this is known as cinnamon. Next is the physical nature of neonicotinoid. So the physical nature of the neonicotinoid is they may be soil applicable, foliar sprayable, or seed treatment. Next is the sting in worker honeybees is a modified part of. So the sting in honeybee is worker honeybee is a modified part of ovipositor. This sting is a defensive instrument for worker bees. This sting in case of the worker bees, they are the barbed lancelets, and they get tear off when they get injected into the into the human bodies. But exception is there in case of queen bees. The sting is retractable and it is not barbed, and they use their sting for killing the rival queen bee by queen bees in hive. Next is biotype, which is most destructive in Indian subcontinent. So the most destructive biotype in Indian subcontinent is biotype 4. Order of insect used in forensic entomology. So the Diptera order is mostly used in forensic entomology, whereas coleoptera beetles, they are also used, but dipterans, they have necrophagous habits, and they have early arrival on the body instead of coleoptera beetles. So they are the highly evolved order. The pathway related to sap-sucking insects is the pathway related to sap-sucking insect is the signaling pathway. Next is Schmidt's string pain index is a pain scale ranging between. So this scale, it ranges between 1 to 4. Apis mellifera complete genome sequence was published in the year. So it was published in the year 2006. Stiputal region of labium is called. This is called as the palpiger. Whereas the lobe of maxillary types that bear the palps, that is called as the palpifer. So there is a difference between the palpifer and palpiger. Next is the pesticide nanoemulsion size. Nanoemulsion size, it ranges more than 200 nanometer. Effective predatory mite for controlling spider mites. So the for the control of the spider mite, there is a Phytocilus permicillus. It is effective predatory mite. Defensive secretion of bombardier beetles is, so the defensive secretions of bombardier beetle is benzoquinone. Mustard sawfly have 3 pairs of the thoracic legs and how many pairs of the prolegs? So they have 6 to 8 pairs of prolegs. Production of young ones by immature stages is, so this is known as paidogenesis. In case of pedogenesis, young ones they are hatched from the larval or the pupal stages instead of directly from the eggs. As in case of the larval pedogenesis, gall midge larvae, they have the um, pedogenesis, whereas in case of the pupal pedogenesis, Measter species, they show the pupal pedogenesis. Next is the cryptonephridial condition. Cryptonephridial is that in this condition that the distal end of the Malpighian tubule that is held with the within rectal walls. So this is seen in Dipteran pest, Coleopteran pest, Lepidopteran pest, or all of the above. So the correct answer for this is this is seen in Dipteran flies, Coleopteran beetles, and Lepidopteran moths and butterflies. Dust formulation, toxic and range. The range for the dust formulation is dust formulation toxicant is 0.1 to 25%. Example of pro-insecticide. So the example of pro-insecticide is Cartap. Pro-insecticide is a chemical that which gets activated by coming in contact with the living organism. Otherwise, it don't get activated. So that is called as the pro-insecticide. Whereas phenazaquine and diphenthridone, they are also the pro-insecticides. Phenoxycarb is a juvenile hormone analog. The main honey producing family. So the main honey producing family is Apidae. Honeybees, they are the main honey producing. Most important enzyme of MFO's system is, so the most important enzyme is cytochrome P450. E.F. Knipling developed a sterile male technique for the control of Colchimea hominivorax in island of, so they developed this technique in Curacao. Optimum temperature range for the growth and development of insect is, so the optimum range is 10 to 35 degrees Celsius. Warm climate and high humidity favors the, so this favors the insect growth, mold growth, increased respiration, so and or all of the above. So the correct answer for this is all the above. Infective stage of entomopathogenic nematode. The stage that infect the plants. So this is J3. Juvenile 3 is the infective stage. Next is the red floor beetle. Damage gives to off flavor to the produced due to. So they gives the off flavor due to gaseous quinine. Apple factor fluorescein is an anti-feedant too. So this apple feeding efforts and the non-apple feeding efforts, or the non-apple feeding efforts, or C option is there, both A and B, and the last option is none of the above. So the correct answer for this is non-apple feeding efforts. So friends, go through the complete video, as the questions, they are the most important that were asked. Presence of which acid impart resistance against pod borer, Helicoverpa armigera, in chickpea? So this is malic acid, and this malic acid is present in leaves of the chickpeas. Extraintestinal digestion present in, so the extraintestinal digestion is present in predators. In case of the extraintestinal digestion, in these insects, they expel the enzyme and to break down the food. Best method to control maize fall armyworm is direct spraying to whirl, soil drenching, foliar spray, border row spraying. So the correct answer for this is direct spraying to whirl, as it causes the damage in the whirl or in the stem of the insect. stem of the plant. Which of the following most common mycotoxic and producing fungi? Aspergillus, Penicillium, Fusarium, and all of the above. So the correct answer for this is all the above. That is Aspergillus, Penicillium, and Fusarium. They all produce mycotoxins. In which part pre-digestion of pollen will takes place in honeybees? Options for these are the crop, pharynx, esophagus, and the ventriculus. So the correct answer for this is ventriculus. Pre-digestion of the pollen, it takes place in ventriculus in case of honeybees. Coffee berry borer belongs to family. This coffee berry borer, it belongs to family Scoletidae. Incorporating two or more genes into a variety to impart resistance to more biotype is called as. So this is called as gene pyramiding. Cochineal insect produces a crimson color dye is. So this crimson color dye is mainly carminic acid. Lectins are what type of genes are isolated from one plant and they are cloned into another to produce transgenic plants. So these are the proteins. Bird scars device releasing gas. These bird scars that are used, they release acetylene gas. Whitefly genus known as vector of more number of viruses. So the genus that is Bemisia tabeci, it is responsible for a more number of the viruses. Insect circulatory system is in which the blood flows freely all over the body. As in case of the insect, there is an open type of circulatory system. Whereas in case of the animal, the closed circulatory system is there as the blood flows through the veins. Arthropods evolved during, these arthropods, they are evolved during Cambrian period. Acute poison used for rodent control. So the acute poison that is used for rodent control is both zinc phosphide and barium carbonate. They can be used. Mustard saw fly lays egg laying. So what is the pattern of laying the mustard saw fly eggs? So it lays singly eggs on the leaf margins. Multiple disease and insect resistant variety which is grown on more than 11 million hectare in the world is. So this is IR36 and this is the non-basmati variety and semi-dwarf, and it was developed by Gurdev Singh Khosh in and it is found to be resistance against brown plant hopper, that is BPH. ETL for green leaf hopper in Tungro virus endemic areas. So the ETL is 2 green leaf hopper per hill. Scientific name of lag: Carya laca, Lacifera laca, Tacridia laca. So the correct answer for this is all of the above. This Carya laca, Lacifera laca, and Tacridia laca, they are all the names for lag insect. Design is most appropriate for most laboratory experiment. So this is CRD, that is completely randomized design. This is mostly used. In Poisson distribution, mean is equal to what? So in Poisson distribution, mean is equal to variance. All the living organisms on earth interacting with the physical environment as a whole are referred to as. So this is referred to as biosphere. Insect known as the overflow worms. Why they are they are called as the cutworms, and there is a reason behind why they are called as the overflow worms, because they have ability to damage in the field even though it is filled with water. That's why they are called as the overflow worms. Indian Grain Storage Institute established in. So the Indian Grain Storage, it was established in 1958. National Center for Integrated Pest Management, it was established in 1988 in New Delhi. Homing behavior is seen in, so this is seen in bees. Homing behavior is what? It means that the ability of the bees to navigate the hive after visiting the food source. So this is homing behavior. Rearing of stingless bees is known as. So this is known as the melliponoculture. All India Coordinated Research Project on Biological Control of Pests and Weeds was started in. So this was started in 1977. Sprayer will cause more loss of spray droplets by drift. So that is ultra low volume spray that cause more loss of the spray droplets by drift. Example of a high volume sprayer is, so the high volume sprayer is knapsack sprayer, and and it has the capacity of 16 liter. Shear nozzle is commonly used in, so this shear nozzle is commonly used in knapsack sprayer. Cave strategy favors low reproduction rate and high survival rate, whereas in case of the R strategy, there is a high reproduction rate and a low survival rate. Sometimes this is also asked. Reproduction type in lac insect. So the reproduction type in lac insect is ovoviviparous. In case of the ovoviviparous condition, the fertilized eggs, the containing yolk, they are incubated in the female tract before they hatch, and just prior or soon after the oviposition. So this is condition found in lac insect. So there was one numerical also, and we have to calculate about the quantity of the liquid insecticide with the 25% active ingredient that is required for preparing 500 liters of the spray fluid of 0.25% strength. So the correct answer that was calculated is 5 liters. So there I have also explained using the formulas. So the formula that was used for the calculation is N1V1 or N2V2 is equal to N2V2. So the active ingredient percentage is 25%, and the volume that we have to calculate is V1, whereas the strength that is given is 0.25% and 500 liters of the spray liquid, the spray fluid. So the calculated amount is 5 liters. Next is the first commercial based formulation of NVPs. So this is Elcar. Duplex setae present in. These duplex setae, they are present in Tetranychid mites. Wing coupling mechanism is present in Hymenoptera. In case of Hymenopteran bees, what kind of wing coupling is present? So this is hemuli or hemulate wing coupling mechanism is present. Thrips have asymmetrical mouth parts due to absence of what? So there is the absence of right mandible. That's why they have the rasping and the sucking type of the mouth parts, and they have the asymmetrical mouth parts. Lychierinium mite belongs to family. So this belongs to family Eriophidae. Next is Macphail traps, commonly used for Dipteran felis. They are also used for monitoring purpose and for the sterile insect technique, these Macphail traps. Silk tunneling in storage due to, so the silk tunneling in storage is mainly due to Plodia Interpunctella. Highest lag producing state of India is. The highest lag producing state of India is Jharkhand. Other than rice moth, mass production of egg parasitoid is done with paddy moth, potato tuber moth, Indian meal moth, none of the above. So the correct answer for this is potato tuber moth, that is Phthorimia operculella. This is used for Capitosoma coiliheri mass production. Whereas otherwise we mainly use the Corsairas phallonica for mass production, but in case of this Capitosoma coiliheri, potato tuber moth is used. Next is the green lacewing is a predator of what? Whitefly, aphid, millibug, and all of the above. So the correct answer for this is whitefly, aphids, and millibug, that is all of the above, these three. So the last question is Dr. Hansar Heron was awarded the World Food Prize in 1955 for his work on biological control of Phenacoccus manihoti, Paracoccus marginatus, Phenacoccus solenopsis, or Meconilococcus hirstus. So the correct answer for this is Phenacoccus manihoti. And I have something to show you over here. This award was given by by CM of Punjab, that is Prakash Singh Badal. You can see over here in this picture. This Dr. Hansar Heron, they were being honored by the Chief Minister in 1955, that is Prakash Singh Badal. So this Dr. Heron, they were receiving the award. So friends, this was the first part of ICAR NET Entomology 2019 question paper, in which we have discussed 70 questions, and the next 70 questions will be discussed in the next video. So keep supporting and subscribe our YouTube channel, and like, comment and share. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for our new updates. Thank you friends.